Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta. I'm going to be talking about shophush.com. Hush is an online and an app makeup company. They sell very affordable eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, eyelashes, lipstick organizers. They sell pretty much everything. They're known for dupes. They have a lot of eyeshadow palettes that look pretty much exactly like Anastasia, Huda Beauty, Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. And they're just $10. I think it's from $10 or $9 to $16, which is very good. So we're going to test out the quality. I have not swatched any of the products yet. I did open a few, but I haven't swatched them yet. So this is the cool thing about the app. If you order something on their website, you get free shipping on orders over $25, but if you order something on their app, you get free shipping on any order. They are based in Los Angeles, so I got my products pretty quick. I think like in 3 days or 2 days. It was very quick. So I think I have about 10 or 9 eyeshadow palettes that I will be, or not just eyeshadow palettes. I have eyeshadow palettes and highlighter palettes. So I'll be swatching a few and just tell you what I think about them, the quality, if it's the same as a high-end makeup. Okay, I'm so excited to get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one since it was like all the way at the top. And like I said, this one's one that I have opened, but I didn't swatch them. Oh, and the packaging. Not the packaging of the palette, but I opened the box and every eyeshadow palette, it came in like a bubble wrap, which is so cool because they won't break that easily, you know? So this one's the very first one, and I think like as soon as I opened it, I already knew this one's a dupe for the Anastasia. Oh god, I forgot the name. Subculture. And you guys can probably tell too. I want to swatch it because I heard a lot of bad things. I do have a Subculture palette, and I've only used it once. And it wasn't that bad, and I saw a lot of reviews before I got the Subculture palette. And a lot of people were not liking it, so let's see how this one is. I'm going to swatch this one first. It feels very creamy. I always like to swatch the metallics or shimmery ones, and these are so pigmented. I don't know if it's focusing. Well, these actually feel very creamy, like very buttery, which is good. And the mattes also look like they're very pigmented. Ooh, I like this one. They feel very creamy. I like them. They're so pigmented. Here are the two palettes, and you can tell I haven't really used the Anastasia palette that much, but you can really see that they're very similar. Well, I think the Retro Love feels a lot more creamier, but here they are. This one's Retro Love. Why do I keep saying Love? Retro Love. And this one's Anastasia Subculture. I think I swatched the wrong ones on the thumbs. I did. Oh well. Anastasia's packaging is a lot better. This one does not come with a brush. It does have a big mirror. And it doesn't feel like cheap at all. It's really nice. So, and this one's just $10. The next ones are going to be these highlighter kits. These are Oasis and Paradise. These, I believe, they're dupes for Huda Beauty highlighter palettes. But I don't have those, so I don't know if they are. I don't know, but this one's Oasis from Bad Habit, and it has 4 different shades. So I'm just going to swatch them. Is that? This one feels like creamy. It feels weird. Yeah, because all these other ones feel creamy, but powdery kind of. And this one just feels like creamy. Like wet. I don't know. But look at these swatches. They're gorgeous. So pigmented, and you don't get any fallout either, and they don't seem glittery at all. I don't really like glittery highlighters, and this one doesn't seem glittery. It just looks like it'll give you like a nice glow. This one has shades that would go with any skin tone. I like that. Now this one over here is Paradise, also from Bad Habit, and I saw it, and I think these 2 shades over here, they also have it on this one. They just look pretty much the same, so I'm just going to swatch these. Oh, that one also feels very creamy. I don't know if you guys can see that. It just feels weird. So I guess that's how they're supposed to be. Both of these are $10, and I believe all the eyeshadow palettes are cruelty-free. The next one is also from Bad Habit. This one's Aura. So this one is a dupe for, I want to say, Prism palette, because I remember Prism palette had this. And I think it's the Anastasia Prism palette. This one is also $10. Oh no, I think this one was $12. This one is $12. And let me swatch some of them. They are creamy and very pigmented. Let me swatch this one. The names are different. They're not the same. Oh my god, look at that. They are so pigmented. They're like they're so intense. I love that. The next one is Athena, also from Bad Habit. I love the name. And look at the packaging, pretty much the same, very thin, feels nice. And they all have like the magnetic closure. This has 18 eyeshadows, and oh my god, I don't think I opened this one. Yep, this is my favorite palette. I don't know, what is this? Duochrome? Oh my god, it's so glittery. And they have some duochrome, some metallics. Well, I don't know if they're metallics. I don't know. These get me confused. They're just shimmery eyeshadows. Ooh, this one's so pretty. It's like gold with a little bit of pink. Oh my god, I love that. Let me do a matte. I'm gonna do this one right here. Mattes are also very pigmented. These are so intense. This one is my favorite. Oh my god, I can't wait to do a look with this palette. Athena is $12. Now the next one is Aphrodite, also from Bad Habit. Bad Habit has the best dupe eyeshadow palettes, and I know this one's a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Look at that. It's like pretty much the same. So far the quality is also the same. The packaging is not so bad. These just look amazing. I don't know how much, I don't own any of the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes or anything Huda Beauty. I don't know why. But I am definitely excited to try this one, and this one is $12. Let's swatch them really quick. I love the combination of all of these palettes. Here are the swatches of some of them, and I think this one is my favorite one. I really love this palette. This one and the, what was it, Athena? They're my favorite ones. This video is not sponsored, by the way. They did send me all of these palettes to show you guys, but I'm giving you guys my honest opinion. Next is Unicorn Glow Highlight Collection. This is from Face Candy. I love that they called it unicorn, and the packaging is very unicorn-ish, because the highlighters are so pretty. They have very colorful ones: blue, orange, purple, pinkish. Let me just, oh, they feel very creamy. Ooh, I like that. So here are the swatches. I don't really like using colorful highlighters. I just like to use gold. But when I do use purple or blue or green or any of these right here, it's when I do like very creative looks. So this palette would be perfect for that, and this is $10. The next one is Rose Highlight Collection from Bad Habit. I just wiped my hand again, and it seems like the last highlighter palette left my hands or my fingers very glittery, and this one also looks like they're so glittery. And like I said, I don't like glittery highlighters, but let me swatch some. These feel so smooth, and I think this is a dupe for the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. They're pretty similar, and this one is $10. I'm gonna swatch them right here really quick just to see if they are glittery. They just feel so creamy. These are pretty glittery, but they're so nice and pigmented. And last but not least is another Bad Habit. This one's Inferno, and I think this one's a dupe for the Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, the Naked Heat. This one's a lot smaller. I love the packaging. Obviously, the Naked Heat palette is a lot better. This one's not bad though. It feels like very small. It also has a mirror, so it's like perfect for like traveling. So here are both the Urban Decay and the Bad Habit eyeshadow palettes. I feel like these down here, or the shimmery ones, are a lot more glittery than the Urban Decay ones right here. I don't know about the quality. Let me swatch them really quick. I'm gonna do this one, and I think it's this one right here, Lit. They feel pretty much the same. They're a bit different though. One is more darker than the other one, but they both feel very creamy, very smooth. I'm gonna do this one right here. There it is. I feel like this palette is a palette that everyone would use for like a natural look, soft glam, or a very dramatic look. Everyone loves these tones of eyeshadows. I think everyone loves it. And I think this one, Athena and Aura, are their most popular eyeshadow palettes. A lot of people buy those and love them. And as you guys saw, I loved each and every palette that I received. So don't forget to check them out. I will leave the direct link to their website in the description box below, and along with their Instagram page. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and also click the bell notification button right next to the subscribe button so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. And today I am going to give a shout out to, I think I have two, and it's Liliana Guzman. and Laura Gonzalez. Thank you girls so much for all of your love and support. I love you guys so much. And if you guys want a shout out in my next English video, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and let me know in the comments down below that you want a shout out. And if you want, also tell me where you're from. If you guys have any requests for any other video, oh, and I am going to do a an eye look using one of these palettes. So if you guys want to see a certain palette, just let me know in the comments which one you guys would like to see, and I will do that. I will have that up Friday, so let me know. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I almost forgot, before I go, I will have a very big giveaway. I'm actually have 2 giveaways for reaching 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Thanks to all of you guys for all of your support. The first one is just gonna be a makeup for one winner. The second giveaway is going to be a very special one. I think if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I might be giving away, but just keep an eye out for the giveaway. I will definitely have that pretty soon. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.